Want to understand what's connected to your Windows PC and manage your hardware? Device Manager makes that pretty simple. In this beginner's guide, I'll show you how to navigate it, check devices, understand warning icons, and manage drivers. First, open Device Manager from the Start menu. You'll see hardware grouped into categories like display adapters, network adapters, keyboards, and sound devices. Click the arrow next to any category to see the devices inside. To learn more about a device, right-click it and select Properties. The General tab shows its current status, while the Driver tab provides information about the installed driver. This is a great place to start when something isn't working correctly. Keep an eye out for warning symbols. A yellow exclamation mark usually means Windows has detected a problem with that device. Open its properties and check the device status message for more information. Yeah, that message can give you a useful starting point. If a device isn't working properly, you can try updating its driver. Right-click the device, select Update Driver, and choose the automatic search option. Windows will look for a compatible driver. If nothing is found, check Windows Update or the device manufacturer's official website. Device Manager also lets you disable or enable certain hardware. Right-click the device and choose Disable Device. Only do this when you understand what the device does. To turn it back on, right-click it again and select Enable Device. If Windows doesn't detect a connected device correctly, open the Action menu and choose Scan for hardware changes. Windows will search for newly connected or changed hardware. This can sometimes help after reconnecting a device, and that's the basics of using Device Manager. Start with Properties when you're troubleshooting, watch for warning icons, and be careful when changing drivers or disabling hardware. So once you get familiar with these tools, Device Manager becomes a really useful part of Windows.